Hi viewers, welcome to linuxscale.com. Today we are going to see about how to install XIX music player on Linux Mint 18.3. XIX is an open source lightweight music player that has supports for most popular architecture. It supports various formats of music files like MP3, OGG, MP4 and etc. And then it is used for creating playlist and copy, delete, rename function and etc. Okay, first of all we have to add the repository of XIX music player. Hit enter and continue. Then before starting your installation, you should update your system firstly using by apt command. The update is going on. The update is complete now. Then finally we have to install XIX media player application. The installation is complete now. Then we have to open the Linux Mint menu. Here we have to type XIX. The application is shown on the screen. Now we have to open this application. Here it will show on welcome Java XIX music player browser. So first of all we have to select our language. Then we have to click next. Then here it will show on manage local files. Then we have to click next. If you want to add your source, click here. Now we have to click next. Then here it will show an option. Then we have to click save. The XIX music player application show on the screen. Now you can able to using this XIX music player. That's all about for installation of XIX music player. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxscale. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxscale.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxscale.com.